and Olivia and her mom's hair is back there. So see the difference, Olivia, look at the ants. Not so brassy and pale color. clean up a little bit. Alright guys, she had about almost 8-inch root, dark, and her ends were orange, brassy. I went to the spa at the Chateau Lan and the sauna. I mean, did her lighter color and was like, I mean, it looked like carrot. In fact, her mom doesn't want to be in the video. I just fixed her color as well. Yeah, right there. She wants to hide. Yeah, Olivia has been with me how many years, Olivia?
Hasn't it been probably 17 or 16 years? Since I was 3, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Olivia being an amazing customer of mine. Of course, her mom too. Her mom has been the driver. Both of them. So anyways, they went to the spa. Of course, their hair was ruined by the sauna, steam room. Anyhow, so I'm going to Florida tomorrow morning. I'm not going to be here, so they called me emergency, crying like, Mario, please help my hairs, especially her mother. Olivia has better patient than her mom. And so anyways, spa usually says if you're pregnant you can get in, but they never say the steam room. They never say if you just colored your hair, you know, you may want to rethink about coming in, because anyways, the more we read about it, sometimes if the sauna or the steam room that blows the steam, which I'm sure they use some chlorine to keep the place sanitary. If it's not clean, they say it can definitely turn your hair yellowish, orangey. And her hair, I mean her mother's hair was crazy, unbelievably ruined. Because we just colored her hair, so. So she came back for a color correction. My gain and the spas, hotels, spas lost because they have to really come to the table because her hair was crazy, ruined, man. And her hair, I fixed the color. What do you think, sweetie?
Yes, I like it.
They went to the spa because she just had her 21st birthday. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. I got hair after almost 60, guys. For 20 years I was bald, man, 25. Forehead many years. Look at this. What makes the best hairdressers in the world is bald hairdressers. So I was bald once. God gave me a second chance. I got my hair back. Of course, it was a hair transplant. But I'm so blessed, beyond thankful. Opportunity came along and I went for it. So we fixed her color. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah. Olivia,
Yes, sir.
what do you think?
I'm thinking it's good.
I don't see any orange. Yay.
Your haircuts are always good, but this is one of the best ones you've done for me.
How come?
I
Is
think
it
the
orange?
layering, and also it's always impressive. Like, I think even last time you did a color correction, because it might have been a while, but whenever it's a color correction, seeing the before and after.
Yeah, I haven't seen you for a while.
It's a little bit. I do miss. I admit I missed you last week when my mama went out. I was like, well, I understand I can't be with you, but I was glad I got to come in.
All right, guys, we want to wish everybody happy Thanksgiving. God bless you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Keep me in your prayers because I'm leaving for Florida tomorrow morning. So spend my Thanksgiving over there. I'm off next 3 days. Actually, my birthday is Monday, so
Happy birthday.
Happy early birthday.
thank you. A lot of peace in here. Mario said, designers, if you don't look good, we don't look good.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yes, thank you, Lee. Appreciate that.
Thank you for saying that.
Ciao.